In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert signatures in Gmail. Inserting signatures can be a real time saver, providing a consistent and professional look to all your emails with just a few clicks. So, let's dive right into it and get you set up with this handy feature. First, you'll want to open up your Gmail account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. Once you're inside your Gmail, you'll see the usual interface with all your emails and folders. From here, we'll focus on composing a new email to insert your signature. Go ahead and click on the Compose button, which you can usually find on the left side of the screen. This will open a new window for you to draft your email. Now, let's take a closer look at the composing window. At the bottom, you'll notice a toolbar that contains various icons and options designed to enhance your email composing experience. Among these is the pen icon. This little tool is where the magic happens for adding your signature. Go ahead and click on the pen icon. Once you click the pen icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu will display the different signatures you have already set up in your Gmail. If you've only set up one signature, you'll see that listed. If you have multiple, you'll have a few options to choose from. Select the signature you wish to use for this particular email by clicking on it. The great thing about this feature is its flexibility. You can set up different signatures for different purposes, say one for personal emails and another for professional ones, and quickly switch between them as needed. Once you select your signature, you'll notice that it automatically appears at the bottom of your email draft. Pretty straightforward, right? This automatic inclusion saves you from having to type out standard information every time you send an email, which is especially useful if your signature includes more detailed contact information or a professional closing. With your signature in place, you can continue crafting the rest of your email as usual. When you're ready, simply hit Send, and your email will go out with your selected signature neatly included. There you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily insert signatures in Gmail, giving your emails that polished and professional edge without any extra hassle each time you compose a new message. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!